What's the meaning of Beatrix Potter? Beatrix Potter. Beatrix Potter.
Beatrix Potter. Beatrix Potter. Beatrix Potter was a famous English author, illustrator, and conservationist who lived in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. She is best known for her series of children's books featuring animal characters such as Peter Rabbit, Jemima Puddleduck, and Squirrel Nutkin. Her stories have become beloved classics and continue to be enjoyed by children around the world. In addition to her literary work, Potter was also a passionate advocate for nature conservation. She used the proceeds from her book sales to purchase and preserve land in the Lake District of England, which is now a protected area known as the Beatrix Potter National Park.